For centuries, this place has been a gateway to the world, where trade flowed, ideas were exchanged, deals were made, and partnerships were forged. Today, that spirit of innovation, connectivity, and global influence burns brighter than ever. Welcome to Excel London. Minutes from the heart of the world's most vibrant cultural capital, Excel London exists to bring together people and ideas, creating the perfect environment for the extraordinary to happen and for communities to thrive. The joy of seeing your heroes up close. The exhilaration of meeting someone who holds the missing piece of your scientific discovery. The sense of achievement in presenting a groundbreaking idea or landing a game-changing partnership. The power of bringing your teams together face to face. The sense of belonging in a room full of people who share your passion. This place creates memories, opens doors, and connects lives. Embracing positive change for our industry, our communities, and our planet. This place is growing, evolving, and always striving to be the best for you. This place is the best event destination in the world.